At the dairy farm, cows enter automated milking stations.
Designed for hygienic and efficient milk extraction.
Stainless steel milking units collect the milk through closed lines, preventing exposure to the environment. The milk flows directly into cooled storage tanks.
Point maintained at 2 to 4 degrees Celsius.
Once filled, the tanks transfer the milk into refrigerated tanker trucks. Equipped with temperature monitoring systems. These vehicles transport the milk to the cheese production facility. Under controlled conditions to maintain freshness and quality. Refrigerated tanker trucks deliver fresh cow's milk to the facility. The milk undergoes automated sampling.
For fat content, protein level, temperature, and microbial safety.
Once approved, the milk is pumped through stainless steel pipelines.
Into storage silos, maintained at 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. Milk passes through fine mesh filtration systems. They remove physical impurities.
It then enters centrifugal separators. Cream and skim milk are divided.
Automated controls recombine these components.
The standardized milk enters fully automated plate heat exchangers.
The system maintains a consistent temperature of 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds.
According to standard pasteurization parameters.
All thermal variables are monitored digitally to ensure uniform treatment. After pasteurization, the milk is cooled to 30 to 35 degrees Celsius.
And transferred through closed pipelines to the fermentation vats.
And transferred through closed pipelines to the fermentation vats.
And transferred through closed pipelines to the fermentation vats. Pasteurized milk is transferred into stainless steel cheese vats.
Controlled dosing units add selected starter cultures.
Point responsible for lactic acid production. Gentle agitators maintain uniform distribution. Point allowing consistent fermentation and pH reduction. Computer-controlled knives slice the coagulated curd. Into precise cubes. Cutting determines moisture retention. Smaller cubes produce firmer cheese, while larger cubes create softer varieties. Whey begins to separate immediately after cutting.
The curd-whey mixture is slowly heated.
Stirring mechanisms operate at controlled speeds. Heat causes the curds to contract and expel more whey.
Temperature, agitation speed, and cooking time are fully regulated by digital systems.
Once curds reach required firmness, whey is drained through filtration screens. pipeline outlets. The whey is collected for reuse.
Pointin, protein concentrates, and other applications. Curds remain in the vat for further processing. For cheeses such as cheddar, curds are cut into slabs.
Mechanically stacked, flipped, and restacked. This controlled handling develops acidity, texture, and moisture. This controlled handling develops acidity, texture, and moisture. Each step is timed and recorded to maintain precise cheese characteristics. Each step is timed and recorded to maintain precise cheese characteristics. Curd slabs enter milling equipment.
Where they are cut into uniform pieces.
Next, the critical application of salt, ensuring flavor, moisture control, and stability as the curds travel the path.
Salt is introduced through calibrated dispensers. Freshness, providing flavor, moisture control, and microbial stability.
Mechanical mixers ensure even distribution.
Across all curd particles. Salted curds are transferred into molds. lined with breathable liners. Hydraulic presses apply calculated pressure. To shape the cheese and expel remaining whey. After pressing, the formed cheese blocks
are removed with consistent dimensions.
Cheeses such as Gouda, Edam, and Swiss are immersed in salt brine baths.
The brine regulates salt absorption, influences rind formation, and enhances overall preservation.
Immersion time varies based on cheese size and type. Cheese blocks are transferred to aging rooms. Where temperature, humidity, and airflow are precisely maintained.
Over weeks or months, biochemical processes develop.
The cheese's flavor, aroma, texture, and rind.
Exquisite texture. The maturation is complete.
Routine inspections ensure consistent maturation.
Processing Unit 7 is operating at peak parameters. All systems are synchronized. There is no deviation from protocol.
Cheese surfaces undergo controlled finishing. depending on the product category.
Product 01 Cheddar has successfully reached the application zone. The robotic arm is now calibrating for optimal coverage. Automated lines apply uniform layers of wax or polymer-based protective films. The block is rotated 90 degrees for the secondary application. This ensures a flawless coat across all surfaces. Precision systems ensure consistent thickness across all surfaces of the product. The inspection sequence is fully automated. Any deviation from the golden standard is immediately flagged and removed from the production line.
Finished blocks pass through inspection sensors that verify coating integrity before. The optical scanner analyzes the structural integrity of the product. As you can see, the result is satisfactory. The inspection process maintains a 99.9% success rate. All products are scanned for imperfections.
Consistency is key to the structural integrity of the final product. Any deviation from the standard metric requires immediate isolation.
Anomaly detected and corrected. Cycle time remains unaffected, maintaining peak efficiency. The replacement unit has been verified. All systems are operating within optimal parameters. Point moving to the next stage. The cycle is uninterrupted. Perfection is maintained through rigorous adherence to protocol. The product flow remains constant. From raw potential to processed perfection, the cycle commences. Large cheese blocks are precision cut into consumer-sized portions. Using ultrasonic or wire slicers. Portions are vacuum sealed or packaged using modified atmosphere systems.
New cycle initiates. Release pallet CH01.
Packaged cheese products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses.
Automated logistics systems sort them by destination. Refrigerated trucks transport the cheese to supermarkets, restaurants, and export facilities.
Maintaining a continuous cold chain.
Finished cheese products arrive at retail locations.
Including supermarkets, mini-markets, mall grocery sections,
and specialty food stores. Refrigerated shelves maintain stable temperatures, ensuring product integrity.
Packaged cheeses are arranged according to category, size, and brand.
With barcodes aligned for consistent inventory scanning. Each display follows standardized retail guidelines for visibility, rotation, and stock management.